Welcome to my channel, Firebase Times. Today's presentation is to finalize a web app, Java web page for Firebase Admin SDK and Java web application. Okay, now first of all, we need to create a web application on Firebase Home. When you go to Firebase console and project overview, general setting, you should see your same page and go to project overview and add a web app. It's iOS, Android, web, and Flutter, and something else. Okay, I'm going to create a web app and add a web app. Just say Firebase Home. I don't need any Firebase hosting. Register app. And you should see another section is installing configuration, your own configuration here. So I'm going to just use this tag, and then you need to add this script module type script and then your application. So I'm going to add this Firebase config, my own config. Do not copy my own config, and copy and go back to here. Actually, sign in page here. I'll show you later. And paste here. Everything is same. And so a little bit organized. Save. And I'll a little bit update here and sign up page. Sign up page, very simple sign up page. I already showed part one. Here, get the message here, and then net bar and message here, and taking display name, input display name, input phone number, input email, input password, and submit. That's it. And then sign in page. Sign in page is very simple, but with a little bit with the JavaScript functionality. And sign in message, sign up message actually. So in case of error or in case of success, and taking input error message, input email, input password, and then here sign in button, and also password reset button before signing in case of forgotten password. And then adding JavaScript module. So here's you get this is import the Java Firebase Web API. So here Java you can get the Firebase Web API and the functionality and get all sign in with the email password from JavaScript Web API from client side, and then send password reset email, and then your configuration, and then initialize your Firebase config and get alls and sign in button link, and once sign in button is clicked, and then get the email value, password value, and sign in with the email function. Sign in email function is a sync function, and sign in error, and in case of sign in error and showing sign in error, and this is client side sign in with the email and password function, alls email password, and get the user credential and showing the user credential and get the user token provided by Firebase Web API, and send the ID token to the server side Firebase Admin SDK and get the error message, and send token server functionality, a simple post method form, and create input or everything here, and the ID token sending, submit. And password reset button, simply password reset button is taking email address only and send the password reset email, just simply auth email, and it should be sent it. Good to go. And another one is others are very simple. So about page, index page not required, and authentication. Profile message is really simple, and simply we get once user sign in successfully and get the decoded token and to see what's going on here. Okay, and let's run it. Go back to here is another one. Let me see. Let's run again. Okay, now let's run the application again on command line. And then chat run, and it will update all Java class, servlet, and web page and client side Firebase Web API. And it should be good to go. You'll see and successfully Firebase Admin SDK has initialized study server, Jetty server 4040, and go back to browser. Here, run again, and context path, display name available, and start it. Click Firebase home, and then let's create a user account. Go to sign up. I already tested a user account. So let's see what else user here. Okay, this is my user. I'm going to delete account, and then back to the web browser and sign up again. And my name, just simple phone number 1002002003000, and my email, and then password, and sign up. And successfully user has created with this UID. And then let's go to sign in. And sign in. Successfully sign in with getting reply the Firebase token ID. And when you click here menu ID, so now you see your own name and then also sign out button here. Once you sign out here, you go back to sign in page and then see the welcome guest message. And also if you forgot the password, and here type in your email and then reset button, password reset email sent. Okay, so let's go back to my email and then refresh my Gmail. And there's no email error, so go back just spam folder. Here spam folder, when you see spam folder is loading. And here is reset your password from Firebase. And then click here to reset and type in your new password, save, and this password change, and then go back to your web browser and then enter new password, sign in page. Okay, it's a fully successful Firebase Admin SDK, sign in, sign up, and sign out, and password reset. Thanks for watching. See you later. Thank you.